Hey, what is up you guys? In this video we are going to unbox the new Oneplus Nord 8GB 128GB grey variant. It is available for purchase exclusively on Amazon.in. Let's get straight into the unboxing. I really like the box that this phone comes in. The theme, black and blue with the Oneplus and Nord branding, looks awesome. Breaking the seal, which again is blue. First thing we get in the box is the smartphone itself. Let's keep it to the side and dig furthermore in the box. Below this there is the red Oneplus charging cable which has USB-A to USB-C charging connectors. There is this quite compact 30-watt warp charger, a fast charger with of course Indian pin input and OnePlus logo. Let's now see what is in this sleeve. Welcome note. Okay. Oh, a cover. This design pattern looks good. A SIM card removal tool. Nice. Nord and OnePlus stickers. Love that. A quick start guide. Safety information. Red cable card. This is new. If you know, tell me what it is in the comment section below. And the SAR values are there. Coming to the star of the show, the OnePlus Nord. Let's peel the plastic off. Wow, the screen looks nice and shiny. And the back looks like OnePlus 7. Of course, it is the same color. Let us boot this phone. Until then, here are some of OnePlus Nord's specifications. The phone has a 6.44-inch Fluid AMOLED 90Hz display. The phone comes in this Grey Onyx, another grey ash, and this marble blue color, which actually looks quite funky if I might say so myself. It has a single bottom speaker and comes with a headphone jack. The sound output is not as impressive but is adequately loud. It has a USB-C port and supports fast charging. The storage type is UFS 2.1, which is good. OnePlus Nord has power button to the right and vibrate on off switch. With volume rockers on left side of the phone, it has two front-facing cameras of 32 and 8 megapixel wide camera, and on the rear end it has 4 cameras, of which the main camera has 48 megapixel sensor, has an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 5 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth lens. These are some photo samples from the front and rear camera. In my opinion, these seem to be not that interesting, although it works okay. It has 4115 mAh lithium-ion battery and comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor. Oxygen OS is the operating system on this phone, which is based on Android 10 and runs on an octa-core Snapdragon 765 chip which has Adreno 620 graphic card and is 5G enabled and keeps the phone fast and snappy. It has dual nano SIM card slot. Unfortunately, there is no SD card slot, but you can get 3 variants of this phone starting at 6GB RAM at 25,000 Indian rupees to 12GB RAM for rupees 30,000. In my opinion, an average user would be happy with the 6GB version of this smartphone. But if you have money and you want to get higher variant, go for it. I will have all the variant linked down in the description box below. Also, there is a 10% off deal going on which is applicable on HDFC debit and credit card. The phone looks really similar to my phone, so if you want a phone similar to Nord but your budget is below 25,000, Realme X2 isn't a bad option. Thank you for watching the video till the end. I would love to answer any questions you might have in the comment section of this video. Also, this is a Chinese brand, so take a note of that. I'll be back soon in my next video with even better unboxing. For that, stay tuned and adios.